Hello, and welcome to the channel Learn Arabic, Read Quran. This video is a visual guide to mastering your first 7 letters through shape recognition. Recognizing just 3 geometric patterns eliminates the need for rote memorization. Most Arabic letters share a distinct base shape. The secret is spotting the geometric base and counting the glowing dots. The first geometric base is a single vertical pillar. This is the letter Alif, producing the basic A sound. Its shape is a straight, unbending vertical line, and it has 0 dots. The second base shape is a sweeping hull, forming the base of the boat family. 3 completely different letters share this exact same sweeping shape. Their identity is determined entirely by the number and placement of the dots. Counting the dots decodes the entire boat family. Ba has 1 dot placed below. Ta has 2 dots placed above. Fa has 3 dots placed above. A downward sweep creates the third base shape, the curved family, or the belly family. This new base shape introduces 3 new letters. The architectural rule remains identical. Follow the golden dots. Dot placement transforms the downward curve into 3 distinct sounds. Jeem has 1 dot inside the curve. Ha has 0 dots. Ha has 1 dot on the roof. By mastering these 3 shapes, the pillar, the boats, and the curves, you unlock a quarter of the entire alphabet. You now possess the architectural blueprint to read and identify 7 foundational Arabic characters. Short vowel marks, called Harakat, give the geometric shapes a voice. They act as the vowels, while the letters provide the foundational consonant. Fatha creates an A sound, like in the English word cat. Dammah, an U sound, like in the English word put. And Kasra, an I sound, like in the English word sit. So you read ba, bu, bi, ta, tu, ti, tha, thu, fi. The short vowel marks simply dictate the specific vocalization. Remember, the letter ha is a deep, breathy H sound, produced by pushing air from the middle of the throat, similar to making fog on a mirror. And the letter ha is a guttural sound, like clearing your throat. So you read ja, ju, ji, ha, hu, he, ha, hu, he. Combining foundational letters builds everyday vocabulary. Examples include Kitab for book, toot for berries, and feel for elephant. Remember to read from right to left, recognizing the shapes and dots to extract meaning. Amazing! You just read 3 Arabic words. The remaining characters rely on the identical principles of shape and dot recognition. From dal to ya, the phonetic journey continues. Apply this pattern recognition to the rest of the alphabet grid. Visual recognition is only the first half. Perfect your pronunciation with live human guidance by joining live practice sessions on our channel Learn Arabic, Read Quran. Watch our live stream videos and ask your questions in the comments below or in the community section. We read all comments, and we are here to help you master the Arabic. Welcome to our channel, Learn Arabic, Read Quran. Today's lesson is a step-by-step blueprint for beginners to read their first Arabic words. We begin with the laws of physics, flow and connection. The golden flow means Arabic text moves strictly from right to left. The transformer shapes show that letters are social and physically connect, changing shape slightly depending on their position in a word. Like cursive, Arabic letters link together smoothly on a baseline. A single letter can use up to 4 forms: isolated, initial, medial, and final. The master rule for the transformer shapes is that to link smoothly, letters trim away their big tails, but they always keep their dots, as the dots are their true identity. Alif, the letter for the simple A sound, like father, is a non-connector. It happily links to the letter before it, but refuses to connect to the letter after, forcing a physical break or gap in the word. The ID badge system uses 2 base shapes for 6 letters. The boat family includes ba, ta, and tha. The belly throat family includes Jeem, ha, and ha. The number and position of the dots determine the letter's identity. The letter ha is a deep, breathy H sound produced by pushing air from the middle of the throat. It is much deeper than the standard English H and should sound like a sharp, breathy sigh. To get it right, imagine the sound you make when you are trying to fog up a mirror on a cold day. The letter H is a guttural, raspy sound produced from the very back of the throat. It is not like the English K sound. Instead, it requires a distinct vibration, gently clearing your throat or lightly gargling. For both the boat and belly throat families, remember the master key. When connecting, these letters trim their big tails to stay on the line, but they always keep their dots. Short vowels, or harakat, give a voice to silent consonants. Fatha is the open short A sound, like the A in the word father. The word Fatha is pronounced with 2 very distinct syllables, fat and ha. There is a clear, sharp T sound at the end of the first syllable, immediately followed by a breathy H sound that comes from the middle of the throat. Imagine making a little puff or breath of air for the H, similar to fogging up a mirror. Kasra is the smiling short E sound, like in the word sit. Dammah is the rounded short U sound, like in the word book. Functional markers control the flow. Sukun is the stop sign, which silences the vowel and stops the flow. Shaddah is the speed bump, doubling a letter and requiring a heavy press and release. Stop plus go. Let's check assembly. In the first word, the sukun silences the letter ba, resulting in a quick hitting a hard stop on ba. So the word is pronounced ab. In the second word, the shaddah doubles the ba, resulting in ab-ba. So you read it ab-ba, stressing on the letter ba. The rhythm rule distinguishes between 1 beat and 2 beats. 1 beat with a short vowel is quick and punchy. 2 beats with a long vowel is stretched and slow. Stretching a vowel literally changes the meaning of the word. The 2-beat rhythm rule, called mad, uses vowel partners to extend the sound. The word mad literally means stretching or extension. To pronounce the word mad correctly, use a sharp ah sound, like in the word cat, and make sure to end with a strong, clean D. So Alif partners with Fatha for a 2-beat ah sound. Wow partners with Dammah for a 2-beat oo sound. Ya partners with Kasra for a 2-beat E sound. These are the partners of extension: Alif, Waw, and Ya. Alif creates ah, like in ba-ba. Waw creates oo, like in toot. Ya creates e, like in feel. Always hold the sound for 2 full counts. It's very important. The hidden passenger, or double vowels, Tanween, are double symbols at the end of a noun that add a hidden N sound. Tanween Dammah makes an un sound. Tanween Kasra makes an in sound. Tanween Fatha makes an an sound. The structural anomaly is the silent chair. Double Fatha lines are heavy and require a helper Alif to act as a structural chair. You write the Alif, but you never stretch the sound. It remains a crisp, 1-beat an sound. Kitab. Remember that reading is a rhythm. Quick, slow, stop. For Kitab, we start with the quick ki, move to the slow ta, and finish with the stop on boon, bin, or ban, depending on the hidden N modifier. The master blueprint summarizes the Arabic alphabet basics. The bedrock is the consonants. The engine is the short vowels, or Harakat. The modifiers are the flow controls and Tanween, hidden N. The transformers reshape the letters, and the stretch, med, controls the rhythm. If you enjoyed the video, please like and share. Subscribe to Learn Arabic, Read Quran, and ask any questions you have in the comments below. Join our channel to continue your journey and learn to read Arabic. Thank you for watching this video. We look forward to seeing you in the next one.